To apply gel nails, first cut and file your nails so they're all the same length. Then, apply cuticle oil to your cuticles to loosen them, and push them back with a cuticle pusher. Buff each of your nails, which will remove built-up oils and help your gel nails last longer. Wipe your nails off with an alcohol wipe once you're finished. Next, apply a base coat to your nails. Cure the base coat under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Then, paint your nails with gel nail polish. Cure the first coat under your UV lamp. Apply more coats until you have an opaque finish, curing your nails after each coat. Finally, apply a top coat and cure your nails one last time.